you can see, it's beginning to get that slightly brown caramel color, but still do not turn, do not stir, don't do anything, just let it get brown by itself. And as soon as you get the amber color, you can turn off the heat and add the butter and milk. But this should take within 15 to 20 minutes depending on the quantity you have. So for this one, it took about 12 minutes now. So yeah, it's getting really dark. It's also important to make sure the heat is even all around the pan. So you can just gently swirl your pan, do not stir. It's gonna, when it gets to this point, it's gonna quickly turn brown. So just when you turn down the heat to the lowest, now you just turn it off completely. Quickly add in the butter. Right there you have your very beautiful and bright caramel. You're going to directly pour this over the popcorn you've already made, because the caramel sets pretty quickly, so you want to work very fast. You just stir that and take out all the bubbles, and then you have just the caramel. So you just pour that right into your popcorn. And then mix that in properly before it sets completely. And you quickly transfer this onto the parchment paper. Allow it to dry. That takes just a few minutes. It's already setting in the bowl, as you can see. Just spread that out a bit, like so. And let that sit for about 3 to 5 minutes.